Hello everyone, how's going? Now I want to clear some important things with you guys that about Nokia 3310 2017, the new one. Um, Here it is. This one. I'm using the Nokia 3310 2017 2G variant, which is only GSM original version. Okay, now the thing is, with the 2G variant, I'm running with the Nokia series 30 plus operating system and storage 16 MB, and the chipset on that phone is MediaTek. Well, I was kind of sad to hear that I'm using a phone which is with the chipset of MediaTek. I don't like, or I don't very much have trust on MediaTek personally. Well, what you do, I don't really know. That's I personally hate the MediaTek one. Well, all of you wanted to run the Java games on this Nokia 3317, the new one. I was really also hoping that, but I've already tested, because the 2G one is like so poor on Java compatibility, and we are hoping to have an improvement there because of like when there was time of Nokia N series, Nokia gaming ones, and I used to play the Java games like Infection 2 and Avengers or Ghost Recon Future Soldiers, Harry Potter, and many of that. But those required an amount of RAM like 64, 128 or 512 MB. Well, on the Wikipedia you won't see any information about the RAM of that phone, but I've already tested a game which requires 64 MB RAM on the phone, but that failed on Nokia 3310 because of low RAM on that, and we'll guess that the RAM is in less than 64 MB on that Nokia 3310. Because of that, I was continuously seeing an error message of memory errors, out of memory. Okay, it's like you have less than 64 MB RAM, that's why the game which requires 64 MB RAM is not running anymore in your phone, or it will like run with bug, or it will hang, and many more of that. And then I was feeling hopeless about that phone. It was running Java on so wellly, but only basic type of programs like Facebook, mail, whatever may run on the phone if the Facebook is on Java. Okay, or else it mostly runs .vxp files. Okay, this one is a new one. Those one, the game you all have to buy from Gameloft, which is like I also very much hate. So I wanted to run Java games on Android. Now if you try to do that on the first place, we'll go to YouTube like me and we'll search how to play Java games on Android. Well, so when you went to search that, you will find a result about PPSSPP app. Well, if you use the word PPSSPP instead of Android, or Android instead of it, you will find the same result. But this one, I already tried PPSSPP, but it's very much long linear process, and I hated that. Like here is one, here. Okay. Then just wait, it's loading. Well, this one. Here. Okay, this is the file directory. Well, the process was like on PSP file. You will find the PSPK VM file, and there you got this one. Touch this one and we will only find a very much small listed amount of games or jar files, but this one is very specific. You can turn all of the Java files or Java games on this platform, so I hated and so much hated this one. So I was searching for a backup, then found something amazing on the Play Store. Simply writes Java emulator, and then you will find on the first result, which is Z2 emulator, and install it, and then install some of the Java games from any kind of browser you want, on any kind of folder file directories you want. Well, I've already installed it already. There it is. Well, the app will be like that, and I'll save my Java games on the down folder, and also in some of that on PSP here. So much. These are on .jar. You will simply touch any of them and this will like install for the first time. Converting jar processing, it will like will finish in within seconds, and we will find this one, and these are like old one, but it is also like will not run all of that, all of the Java games, but it will give you a better result than PPSSPP. Well, my favorite one was Zombie Infection 2. I've already finished Zombie Infection 1 or Zombie Infection, and this will start like that. You will find navigation buttons and numeric buttons just like the old button phones, and like this one 2-8 or navigation button, and simply on the middle button or the 5 press this one, yes, 5 continue, yes, yes, and now on the continue press 5 or the middle button, and you will see the very is loading in very fast. But in where this same game I tried on Nokia 3210, but it was like not loading or loading very much slowly because of so much little RAM, less than 64 MB. And but this phone I'm running on this is it is 1 M8 with 2 GB RAM, and you will like enjoy these Java games on 60 frame rate per second or 60 FPS. You will enjoy this one, these games. You will move like that. Let's play some more time. Here, this way. Play some more time. Please, if you like this video, you will search give a thumbs up on that. If you unlike, then give an unlike. Okay, this was enough. On the left button, it will work like a left button of the Java phone, and simply exit the game. But if you use the PPSSPP app, whatever this kind of app is, like a weird name, but you will only see very easily the navigation buttons or the numeric buttons. I just hated this one, but on this app won't run easily the Diamond Rush game, the Nokia very much famous one. So I installed a app named Diamond Rush, but it supports touch, and you will simply find this one from not from Google, but from you need to search this from any kind of browser, and here that's how it works. Here you are seeing the navigation buttons. Okay, that's how it works. This is the 5 button, this is the star button, and this is for the combinational change. This is the button. Well, I hate ads, okay, but that's how you enjoy the old Java games. And thank you very much. I think you have um, accepted the message about the true words about Nokia 3310 2G variant. It's like we have to wait for some time to get a new innovative and like much more premium and gaming phone from HMD Global Nokia. Okay, and if you are sick enough to play the Java games on the original phone, then you have to buy those old N series phones or Nokia phones from any kind of premium website like Amazon.com or AliExpress or whatever you like. But thanks friends for seeing this, for enjoying this. If you like, give a like. If you dislike, give a thumbs down.